You gotta love this day and age with technology. Literally, I have a flying camera, my GoPro here, I have my phone with me, and I have my camera over here. Technically, I have 4 cameras with me, and I'm only carrying a little backpack. How insane is that? Made it to Lion's Head. This is one of my favorite hikes in Cape Town. I've been trying to do this almost once a day. On a good day, it can take half an hour to get to the top. Get a nice gentle walk on the first part, just to get the blood pumping. And then you start to do a bit more of a climb until you're full on climbing up rocks and stuff. At the very top there, you can see the whole of the city, which is behind me. And then of course, the iconic Table Mountain, which is kind of partially covered in cloud right now. Oh, that looks like a cool shot. So resorted to no shirt, bloody hot. That's one thing to definitely know when you're hiking up Lion's Head, is that it's not a good idea to do it midday because it's the hottest. But fortunately, there's a bit of breeze today, so we're good. But this is where it starts to get into the tricky bit. Let's go. Made it to the top. It's almost like I hiked that thing twice. Look at this view. It's getting a little cold up here, so I think I'm gonna run down.